Therefore, log of 2 to the base 2 plus 4, log of 2 to the base 2, that is 1 plus 4, that is RHS part proved. I think students have understood. In the first step, I have used the base changing formula, then these steps. In the last class, I mentioned that in the next class, that means today, I shall work out few more sums on logarithms. Already I have written down 3 sums on the board. Good morning to all the viewers. Good morning to all students who follow my classes. Welcome to btosacademy. Welcome to my math class. I am continuing today the topic logarithm. Now I am going to work out sums serially. I shall start from left hand side and reach right hand side. Bases are 2, 2, then 4, 2, 5, 6 plus 2 log of 2 to the base root 2. First of all, we note 256 is there. We on the right side first find the factors of 256. Already we know 256 is equal to 16 square, that is 4 square whole square, that is 4 to the power 4. As base is 4, we keep this value of 256. Log of base 2, log base 2, log of 4 to the power 4 to the base 4. In place of 256, I have written 4 to the power 4 plus, here I apply base changing formula like this: numerator log 2, denominator log of root 2. As formula, log of a to the base b equal to log a by log b. I have used here this formula: log of a to the base b is equal to, in the fraction form, where numerator is log a, denominator is log b. Already I deduced that formula in the earlier class. I have written here like this. Then log base 2, log base 2. Now log power form, 4 log of 4 to the base 4 plus 2 into log 2. This is root 2 means log 2 to the power half. Therefore, as per this formula, log, say, x to the power a to the base a will be equal to log n log of x to the base a. I suggest students or learners, while you are working out sums on specific topic, better you write the results or formula you need on the right side of the page, or you can write those initially and do the sums. Therefore, it will be, now these log 2's are cancelled. Log 4 to the base 4, log of a to the base a, I write here, log a to the base a is 1. Already we have proved. And one thing you must remember, these results. Therefore, log 4 to the base 4 will be 1. Finally, we get here 4 into 1, that is 4. Now 4 can be written as base is 2. We write it. The 4 is written like this, 2 square plus 2, half is there at the denominator. Therefore, finally it will 2 into 2, that means 4. We write on the right side. Now 2 square, log of 2 square to the base 2. This power will be taken in front as per this formula. Therefore, log of 2 log 2 to the base 2. You can skip this step also. Therefore, log of 2 to the base 2 plus 4, log of 2 to the base 2, that is 1 plus 4, that is RHS part proved. Try to understand. First of all, this number has been expressed in the form of 4 or power of 4 like this. Then we have applied this formula and move on. Finally, we get 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5, RHS part. Hence, sum number 1 is solved. Now to solve sum number 2, I have this. LHS log of a to the base b cube into log of b to the base c cube into log of c to the base a cube. Now I apply first the base changing formula like this. Log of a log of b cube log of b log of c cube log of c log of a cube. Already I have discussed was base changing formula. Log of a to the base b, that will be equal to log a by log b. According to that formula, we have expressed each of these terms like this. Then we have log of b cube. Power is there 3, therefore it will be 3 log b, numerator log a, into 3 log c, numerator log b, into log c, 3 log a. Now we see log a cancelled from numerator denominator, log b cancelled from numerator denominator, log c also cancelled. Therefore, 45 1 by 3 cube, that is 1 by 27 RHS root. In many cases, if you use the base changing formula, the sum will be easier. Now we have worked out two sums. Then sum number 3. Followers or students already have copied this one. I repeatedly mentioned that students or learners, while you follow maths classes, YouTube classes rather, always you take a coffee and a pen first. Then you start working out with the teacher. Now, number 3, LHS 1 by log of xyz to the base xy plus 1 by log of xyz to the base yz plus 1 by log of xyz to the base zx. Already I have mentioned in the earlier sum, first we change the base like this. It will be log of xyz by log xy. Denominator of the denominator is log of xy. Therefore, log of xy will be taken at the numerator. That means log of xy, log of xyz. I write here. Since log of xyz xy is equal to 1 by log of xyz by log of xy. Now 1 by this expression, therefore that will be, first term will be 1 by log of xyz by log xy. Now log of xy is the denominator of the denominator, therefore this will be log of xy by log xyz. I have used this one, plus log of xyz log of yz plus log of zx log of xyz. We find all denominators same. Therefore, addition as per the law of addition of fraction, LCM of the denominators, here it will be xyz, log of xyz, numerator will be log of xy plus log of yz plus log of zx. Now, already we know the formula, log of a plus log of b, that is equal to log ab. We shall apply now that log of xy, yz, zx, log of x, y, z. We have applied here log a plus log b log of eb. Now, what is the product? X square, y square, z square. Log of x square, y square, z square divided by log of x, y, z. This is log of x, y, z whole square by log of x, y, z to log of x, y, z by log of x, y, z. These two cancelled. Therefore, finally we get 2. I think students have understood. In the first step, I have used the base changing formula, then these steps followed. Therefore, we have worked out first 3 sums today. Now, second set, 4 sums I will work out. Number 1, log of this one, that will be equal to 1. For solving that, first of all, I calculate the value of this one, this part. Since it is 1 and we find the base is 5, that means it should be equal to 5. So that log of 5 to the base 5, that will be equal to, as per formula 1, let we are calculating the value of root over 5 into under square root symbol root 5, again square root 5 to infinity. Squaring x square equal to 1 square root sign, that is outmost 1 will be removed. Now, this one, again product to infinity, that means this becomes 5x. As I have taken x equal to under square root symbol 5 into under square root symbol 5 into under square root symbol 5 up to infinity. Therefore, after squaring, we get 5 into again this part, that is x. Therefore, x square minus 5x is equal to 0. Now taking x common factor, x minus 5 equal to 0. From it, we can conclude either x equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. From it, we get x equal to 5. Now, x cannot be 0 as square root of some positive numbers. Therefore, x is never 0. Follow that. Square root of 5 into again square root 5 into again square root 5 up to infinity. Therefore, square root of a positive number that can never be 0. But x is positive, therefore is equal to 5. We have got the value of this part. Therefore, left hand side is equal to log of 5 to the base 5 to the base 5 that is equal to 1 RHS proved. Very interesting one. I think you have followed. Why x is not equal to 0? I have explained that. First of all, this one is a positive number. Square root of 5 into square root of 5 into square root of 5 up to infinity. Therefore, square root of a positive number. Therefore, value of x is never 0. Now number 2, LHS log of 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now what is the sum? 1 plus 2 plus 3, sum is 6. Now 6 can be written as 1 into 2 into 3. Now I apply the formula log of AB is equal to log of A plus log of B. Log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3, that is RHS. I think students, learners have followed. Now I am going to work out sum number 3. Left hand side log A whole square minus log B whole square, that is of the form p square minus q square. Therefore, it is equal to log A plus log B whole into log A minus log B. P plus q into p minus q form, as it is p square minus q square. Now as per formula, this will be log of AB into log of A by B. This is product formula. Also we can call sum formula, conversion. Then log of A by log of log of A by B. Now this is the RHS part. This question may be asked like this. You express this expression as a product of two logarithms. You see, this is one logarithm, this is one logarithm. Therefore, the question may be asked like this. You express this as a product of two logarithms. Then you are to follow these steps. Now, I have taken one sum for calculation. First of all, I shall calculate log of 16 by 15, log of 25 by 24, log of 81 by 80 separately. Actually, if we write the whole, that will be a larger one. To avoid that, we calculate these three quantities separately first. Number 4. Now, log of 16 by 15, I apply this changing formula, log 16 minus log 15, that is equal to log of 16 means 2 to the power 4 minus log 3 into 5, 15 equal to 3 into 5, it will be 4 log 2 minus log 3 within brackets log 3 plus log 5. I remove the brackets and write it directly, this one. Then log of 25, 24, log of 25, log of 25 minus log of 24, that is equal to log of 5 square minus log of 24 means 8 into 3, that means 2 cube into 3. Therefore, this will be 2 log 5 minus log of 2 cube plus log of 3, that means it will be 3 log 2 minus log 3. I have calculated mentally. First of all, log of within brackets 2 cube plus 3, that is equal to log of 2 cube plus log of 3. Now, if we remove the brackets, it will be, since there is minus sign before the bracket start, therefore it will be this. Then log of 81 by 80, log of 81 minus log of 80. Now 81 is 3 to the power 4 minus log 16 into 5, 80 is equal to 16 into 5. Therefore, I can write it 2 to the power 4 into 5, that means 4 log 3 minus 4 log 2 minus log 5. To avoid the complication, I have calculated these three logarithms first, like this. Though it will be longer apparently, but it will be quite easier. Now, I put these values here. LHS is this 1 log 2 plus 16 into, already we have calculated those, 4 log 2 minus log 3 minus log 5 plus 12 log this one already 2 log 5 minus 3 log 2 minus log 3 plus 7 into this, 7 into this one, 4 log 3 minus 4 log 2 minus log 5. Now let us simplify. Log 2 plus 64 log 2 minus 16 log 3 minus 16 log 5, 24 log 5 minus 36 log 2 minus 12 log 3 plus 28 log 3 minus 28 log 2 minus 7 log 5. Now we see 64 log 2. First we consider log 2. Log 2, here is log 2 and here is log 2. 36 minus 28 minus 36 minus 28, that means minus 64. Therefore, these are cancelled. Then we consider log 3 term. 16 log 3 minus 12 log 3, that means minus 28 log 3, then plus 28 log 3. Therefore, these are cancelled. Then 16 log 5 negative minus 7 log 5, that means in this step we get log 2 plus 24 log 5 and these two minus 23 log 5, so that log 2 plus log 5 24 log 5 minus 23 log 5 log 5. Therefore, this is log of 2 into 5 . That is equal to log of 10. Now, what will be the value of log of 10? I have not discussed that matter. Actually, in algebra, if there is no base, that means base is not mentioned. In that case, base will be 10. That is called common base. Therefore, it is log of 10 to the base 10. That means value is 1. Therefore, value of this one is 1. That is RHS part proved. Now, I have mentioned here base. When it is not mentioned in case of algebra, base will be taken as 10, which is called common logarithm or common base. When the base is 10, we call it common logarithm. This is introduced by John Brick. That is why we call Gregorian logarithm also common logarithm. Now I discuss this matter, basis of logarithm. First of all, common base, which is 10. Generally, in case of algebra, if base is not mentioned, the base of the concerned logarithm will be 10. Then there we have natural logarithm. In that case, base is e. Base is e, which is Eulerian constant. Already students of 11-12 have heard this. Base is e and its value is, it is an irrational number. It was discovered by Euler or Euler, and it is already I have mentioned irrational number. Generally, in case of calculus, derivative, integration, etc., the base of the logarithm will be e, and if the base be different from e, then we have to change the base using the base changing formula. Actually, all formulae or results in calculus have been formed with the help of the base e. In case of logarithm, I repeat it, in case of logarithm used in calculus, base will be e. This is called natural logarithm. And now we move to work out few more sums.